Amazing facts about wolf. Meet the wolf, a symbol of power and freedom. Majestic and fearless, they are more than just apex predators. Did you know wolves can run up to 35 miles per hour? Incredible speed for a powerful hunt. They've got razor-sharp senses too. Their hearing is 20 times better than ours. Families matter to wolves. They live in packs, with deep social structures nurturing their young. Their howls are legendary. Unique as fingerprints, wolves use them for communication across vast distances. Discover the mystical world of wolves, a testament to nature's grandeur. Intriguing, isn't it?